Grateful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for stopping by. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and comment. Yeah, a returning subscriber, thank you for dropping by. I really appreciate your likes and comments. In this video tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to cut gele and ipele. For this tutorial, you need one bundle of ashoke, scissors, chalk, tape rule, chalk, and a matching thread. If this looks like what you really want to learn, kindly sit back and let's dive into the tutorial. The number of bundles needed for both ipele and gele actually depends on the style of gele and the length of the ipele. The more the length, the more the ashoke. In this video, I'll be making do with 2 yards and 10 inches for gele, and the rest is what I'll be making do 2 yards and 10 inches for each. For gele, you need 2 yards and 10 inches. That's 36 plus 36 plus 10. 36 plus 36 is 72 plus 10, that's 82. You need 82 in 3 places. For gele. This is it. 36 inches in 2 places. This is it in 2 places. And this plus 10 inches. This is the 10 inches. This is it. And divide it by 3. Two. Three. You cut out. So that's right. This is what we have for the what's it called? For the gele. For the sewing, you place 2 pieces of the gele on each other and you sew straight. You do the same for the third one. If you learn a thing from this video, kindly drop a comment, and if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video, kindly on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I post a new video. After sewing the 3 pieces together, the next thing to do is to secure the edge. you double fold, have a neat edge.